Hey guys, it's Marty Grasse, and today I'm going to talk about the 5 reasons why ebooks exist. Now, you've probably seen them online where a website asks you to download the top 10 reasons why you should blah, blah, blah. It's really a viral or clickbait type title that gets you to click and download. The reason those exist, there's 5 different reasons, but the main one is to get your email. So number one, they're trying to get your email. They're trying to build an opt-in email list so they can follow up with you and sell other services, or just build up a database so they can advertise other people's content. So I'll get into the way people make money online, but the main reason why ebooks exist is to get your email so they could remarket you something else. Number 2, it's to establish you and your brand as an expert in whatever field you're trying to be an expert in. So you might think that anybody can make an ebook, and that is totally true. The fact of the matter is that most people don't. It takes more time than an article, it takes more time than a video, and that's why people, especially if it looks good, people take it as a legit piece of content, and now they'll see you and your brand as more professional, an expert in whatever the topic is, no matter what you say, and you'll start viewing them as a professional. So that's the second reason. Number 3 is to create link backs to their website, their social media platforms, and then possibly their products or affiliate programs. So within the PDF, you'll usually find link backs to other products or information online. They're trying to get you back on their website, or they're trying to get you to buy something. So the ebook is just basically a database of links, a directory really, because there's definitions in there that will then guide you back to the website and on to the brand. So it's if you know anything about the Facebook ads, it's retargeting, if you want to look at it like that. All right, number 4 is focus on your content creating efforts. Now, everybody knows, or if you've viewed any of my stuff, I'm always talking about content creation. So the hard part is really just doing it. But what I found with an ebook is it focuses your efforts. So instead of like, oh, I'm going to create 50 videos, I'm going to create 50 articles, I'm going to do all this stuff, it's, just sit back, get this ebook done. An ebook could be as little as 500 words. I've done as little as 300 words for a 20-page PDF. But it allows you to really focus. You create an outline, you think, okay, this is going to have my name on it, so you take it a little bit more professionally, and it's not just a blog post, it's something more tangible. Number 5, create a digital asset for your business. So I'm always talking about building up your website and your brand into something that can be sold in the future. Whether you intend to sell it or not, it doesn't really matter, because the effort you put into something that you are thinking, like, one day somebody's going to offer me $100 million for this, and I want to be ready, or just thinking that it could be worth $100 million someday, your brand. So it's another feather in your cap in terms of when you go to talk to somebody about buying it. It's not just, oh, you're buying my brand and goodwill. It's, no, you're buying my website and it's 2,000 pages, and you're buying these 50 ebooks that I've created, and each one has generated 10,000 emails. So it's you're putting numbers to an intangible digital product, which then product is your brand. So it's an asset. It helps you build up the assets in your business. So there you have it, 5 reasons why you have ebooks online and why you should create one for your own business, because it could be pretty valuable in a bunch of different ways.